Caddell Construction Honest Review. Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. Caddell Construction isn't just another contractor. You won't believe the range of services and project types they handle. Most people get this wrong by assuming pricing is simple and flat. The surprising truth is their rates reflect project complexity, materials, and labor, offering a transparent, customized approach. Pricing depends on project scope. Small renovations or remodeling projects typically start around $0, while larger commercial builds can exceed $1 million. You won't believe the level of detail included. Cost estimates break down materials, labor, permits, and contingencies, helping clients understand exactly where their money goes. Customization and high-quality craftsmanship are part of the package, ensuring value that goes beyond simple cost comparison. Most people get this wrong by looking only at total project cost. The real value comes from project management, expertise, and timeliness. Caddell's experienced teams reduce delays, ensure compliance, and provide superior quality, all of which save money in the long term and prevent costly mistakes. In conclusion, Caddell Construction pricing is tailored and transparent. By understanding project type, scope, and included services, you go from zero to pro in evaluating value for your construction investment. It's not just about the cost, it's about quality, reliability, and peace of mind.